Good morning, guys. Well, we are here working on a Polaris Sportsman 500. As you can tell, we're going to be replacing the starters. That's the new one. This is also a little early this morning. Also, the Bendix gear that goes with it. I've actually already replaced that in this bike. Then I come to find out that the starter's just bad. Unfortunately, and I'm really hoping so, that there's one starter bolt. That's easy, 10 millimeter. But there's another one way down there, and everything that I've seen so far tells me that I've got to take the entire drivetrain off, which I'm not really happy about, which I'm going to try to avoid. So the purpose of this video is how to get the starter out without having to take the whole motor apart. So let's get to it. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't go buy a $300 starter from Polaris. These are literally $40 on Amazon. It's the same exact starter, the same company, literally. So save yourself some money. Let's get into it. Let me see if I can get these bolts off, and we'll be back. Okay, well, take this 10 millimeter bolt off. Your positive wire comes off. Now I'm using a ratchet wrench to see if I can get these bad boys out. Now this one is accessible. Let me go and break it loose. It's actually a 10 millimeter. What am I thinking? There we go. Let's see what we got. Can we get in there? Yes. And she's a little tight. Okay, well, that one's broke loose. Now, the magic is to get down there to that one. All right, well, I was able to get them out without having pulling this thing off. It is a really tight fit. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to put this bolt in first on the very bottom to put the starter in for you, because if not, it's not going to come out, or in for that matter. So, but yeah, that came out pretty easy. Let's see if I can get this in while you guys are watching. Let's try it. Let's see what Daddy can do. All right, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, baby. Yep, there we go. All right, well, there it is, folks. Without having to pull it all apart. She's in. There's the old one. Please like and subscribe. It's a little short video, but you ain't got to take that off. You can literally get it out without pulling the whole side cover apart. So thanks for watching, guys, in this dark gloomy day, because, oh, there I am on the old Sportsman. Like and subscribe, guys. Peace.